Hi everyone, Angela Talerski here. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you about getting your eWON Flexy data out of the data mailbox and into PLUTO Live Reports. If you're not familiar with PLUTO Live Reports, it's a business intelligence software made by Exacom. It can be installed on-premise or in the cloud, and it lets you bring in data from lots and lots of different sources, like your existing historian, from your SCADA system, from your smart devices, from your IoT gateways, like the eWON Flexy, and bring all that data into a centralized database where then you can use PLUTO's analytics tools and visualization tools to create really powerful, really useful reports and dashboards that let you understand your business. What I especially like about the eWON Talk2M PLUTO combination is the eWON Flexy is really good at getting data from industrial devices, and then Talk2M makes that data remotely accessible. And then I add PLUTO to the mix, and it can retrieve all that remote data from all of my remote assets, bring it into a centralized location where then I can do really useful things with it. But of course, the first step is getting that data out of the data mailbox and into PLUTO. So let's see how that's done. Here's our setup. Out in the field, I have several eWON Flexy logging data about my system and periodically sending it to Talk2M's data mailbox. I've installed PLUTO server, and I've connected PLUTO to my database of choice, and I've created the tables to hold my new data. There are links in the description below for configuring the data mailbox and for adding a database and data tables to PLUTO. I launched the PLUTO client, which is my PLUTO configuration tool. Here you can see my database and all of its tables. If I want to add the eWON data into PLUTO, I need to add it as a data source. So I say Add Real-Time Source, and I select the type of data source. In this case, IoT eWON Data Mailbox. On this screen, I enter my Talk2M account information. And say Connect. Once I'm connected, when I click Refresh for my device list, I see the eWONs that are associated with my account and that have sent data to the data mailbox. Now I need to tell PLUTO which of my data tables should hold the data for each of these devices. And I can do the same with any alarm information. Then I click Save. The first load can take a little bit as it has to process all of the records in the data mailbox. But after a few minutes, I can see my data in the database. Now I'm ready to use this data. I can use it in the reports that I have PLUTO send automatically to my compliance team to show that we're operating within mandated guidelines. I can use it on the dashboards that my operations manager uses to compare at a glance the production numbers of this week from last week to know if his new process improvement program is working. And I can use it in the report that appear automatically in my maintenance team manager's mailbox every morning to help him identify potential issues before they lead to unexpected downtime. If you'd like to know more about PLUTO Live Reports, visit me at www.flexiblesolutions.biz and be sure to subscribe for more videos about eWON tips and tricks.